And you want to know how to get your friends and family involved in network marketing? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to talk about a very popular subject when it comes to network marketing, and that is, well, how do I get my friends and family involved? And why this comes up is because years ago, when network marketing was like on the horizon, a lot of companies, the first thing they would tell people to do in training, people who would sign up, first thing they would do is contact all your friends and all your family. That's what you need to do. Contact all of them, your cousins, your aunties, your uncles, your second cousins, your third, just contact everybody, right? So that's pretty much what gave network marketing a bad name, is because people were approaching everybody in their family with products and opportunity that they had absolutely no interest in. And then the few people that did jump in and join, they did it just because their family member told them, so they had no interest in the products and everything. So they were just they didn't succeed, and they usually quit really really quickly, which once again gave network marketing a bad need some water. That gave network marketing a bad rep, right? So as went on, a lot of companies like, look, don't approach your family and friends. That's whack. You don't need to do that. If you do that, you suck. If you got to do that, you ain't about nothing, right? So it's that fine line, like okay, you involved in a network marketing company. Do you approach your friends and family? Should you? Shouldn't you? Here's my take on it, and here is my advice on the only way you can really get your friends and your family involved in your network marketing company. You ready? Here we go. Let them see, let them see what you're doing, and they will come to you. Right? That's the only real way. Because even if a lot of families and friends, even if you come to them, right, and you just straight up, hey, I got this offer, check this out. A lot of times, A, they don't believe in it, and B, they unfortunately they don't want to help you succeed. They don't want to buy from you. And it's like, I'm not putting money in their pocket. They're my friend. Why would I'm not paying. That's my friend. I'm not paying them. Why am I buying products off of them? And that's the same mentality your family might have. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to that, like, I'm not supporting that. I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? Or they just think it's scamish. They just like, I'm not into that whole network marketing. Go get a 9 to 5. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right? They'll think that. So directly approaching your family and friends usually doesn't work unless you get some people that just that you actually think is into the products and stuff that your company has. That's like a little exception, right? But typically, they ain't gonna want nothing to do with you. So if they see you making moves, if they see you making money, they will come to you. Perfect example: if you're on Facebook and you're doing uh, Facebook Lives or something, right? Talking about your product or whatever it may be, and you're seeing people engaging with you, right? So say you're doing a live and you see people like, oh, cool, or they're asking questions, or they're like giving you thumbs up, or they're saying, oh yeah, this is cool, right? Your friends and family, they see it, even if they don't acknowledge it, they see it, right? So the first couple times they see that interaction, or they see you, talking about you going on a trip related to your company. That's another thing you could do. Try to go to your company's events, right? If you can, if you can, go to it. If it's in out of state or whatever, try to go to it. But when they see you making moves, when they see other people engaging with you, when you see people having conversations about your products, your business, it might take 3 4 times, maybe 5 times, but eventually that friend, that family member They gonna get at you. They gonna message you or they gonna call you, and they ain't even gonna be. They gonna try to be slick with it. They gonna be like, hey, what's going on? Hey, yeah, okay, how's it going? You see the game, or how's the kids, or you still with so and so? Then they gonna find a way to be like, that reminds me, what that thing you do, that marketing, what is that? Right? Boom. That's it. That's how it happens. That's how it goes down. Then when your other friend sees that your friend is jumped on, then that friend gonna look and be like, wait, whoa. Why is they doing that now too? Let me see what this is about. And that's how you get the friends and the family. So listen, if you're watching this video, you got your network marketing company, even if it's tempting, don't go after your friends and family unless you really truly believe like your friend or family member is into the products. Perfect example with Genacity, which is the business I'm part of. Of course, you can sign up, link in the description. But perfect example, my sister, we doing our BTFL fitness channel, and she doing, her fit mom stuff and all that. And with Genacity, we offer advertising beacons and we offer CBD products. And she likes both of those. So she actually came to me after a while, because I'm gonna talk about it forever, but she actually came to me and said, yo, what's up with that CBD stuff? And them links, like, not the links, and them, those beacon things. How does those work? She came to me because she's interested in it. You know what I'm saying? So she joining the team. So that's just my take on it, guys, especially because network marketing can be tough. But take this information, use it, to your advantage. And trust me, when people see you making moves, they will jump on. They will, get into it. All right. Once again, if you're interested in Genacity, I got a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Also, if you have any questions, my phone number is in the description. You can shoot me a text or a call. It's all good. I'm a real person. I will actually contact you when I can. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. I need some water. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.